Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you 10 important things that you have to do in your new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's start. In this iPhone, you have the options of always on display, and it's great. Always on display mode dims the entire lock screen, but it still shows the time, date, widgets, wallpaper, and Android notifications. But you may not like your battery to be consumed in this way, so let me show you how to turn it off. Only thing you have to do is open Settings, then select Display and Brightness. Scroll down and disable the Always On. Another feature of this phone is Raise to Wake feature. When you raise your iPhone to look at it, it automatically wakes the lock screen. From there, you can quickly check your notifications, access Control Center, swipe left to take a photo, or swipe right to access widgets. You can enable this option in Display and Brightness section. Very fast and easy. Ask Siri to hang up a phone call. With iOS 16, you can say, "Hey Siri, hang up" during a phone call to end the call in a hands-free manner. But note that the command can be heard by others on the call. In the settings, open Siri and search section. Finally, enable Call Hang Up. Turn haptic feedback for your keyboard. iOS 16 added a new haptic feedback option for the iPhone's stock keyboard. Like many Android smartphones, the iPhone can make a slight vibration after each key that you press while typing, providing physical confirmation that the key was tapped. So open Settings, then go to Sound and Haptics. After that, select Keyboard Feedback and enable Haptic. Enable 48 megapixel ProRAW photos. iPhone 14 Pro models feature an upgraded rear camera system that can shoot 48 megapixel photos, but only in ProRAW mode. To enable this amazing option, go to Camera section, select Formats, and finally enable Apple ProRAW with the resolution set to 48 megapixel. ProRAW photos retain more detail in the image file for more editing flexibility. You can enable 4K cinematic mode. On all 4 iPhone 14 models, cinematic mode videos can now be recorded in 4K. Only thing you have to do is go to Record Cinematic section. Choose 4K at 30 frames per second. Optimize action mode for lower lights. All 4 iPhone 14 models feature a new action mode that adjusts to significant shakes, motion, and vibrations for smoother looking video. Apple says the feature can be used to record video while off-roading in a vehicle, filming a runner, and more. In Camera section, open Record Video. After that, enable Action Mode Lower Light. When you buy a new phone, the first thing you should to do is check the battery to make sure it's not defective. So open your settings. Scroll down and go to Battery section. Select Battery Health and make sure maximum capacity is 100%. Also in Battery section, make sure to enable Optimized Battery Charging. By doing this, you increase the life of your battery. iOS 16 finally reintroduced the option to view a battery percentage icon in the status bar on the iPhone X and newer, eliminating the need to swipe down to open Control Center to see the percentage. So let's go back and enable battery percentage like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.